How to restore and backup WhatsApp messages on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, back up WhatsApp to iCloud. Go ahead and open WhatsApp on your iPhone and then go to Settings from the bottom right of your screen and tap on Chats and then tap on the Chat Backup option you see there. Now, tap on the Backup Now option and you can also enable auto backup for daily, weekly, monthly backups. Make sure iCloud Drive is enabled too. To check, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on your name on top, and then tap on iCloud and then on iCloud Drive. Further, go ahead and turn it on. Also, make sure WhatsApp is toggled on too. You can also restore WhatsApp from iCloud. To do that, reinstall WhatsApp from the App Store and open WhatsApp and verify with the same phone number. Now, tap on Restore Chat History option when prompted, and iCloud must have enough space, chat plus media to store it. You can also use third-party tools such as iMobi AnyTrans, Phone, iCareFone for WhatsApp transfer. You can simply install the software on your PC or Mac and then connect your phone and choose WhatsApp backup or transfer option. So, this is how you can back up and restore WhatsApp messages on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.